Hey guys, JD here with the Kawasaki Ultra 310 LXS. And today I want to show you this awesome product from WavesRX. This is the patent pending WavesRX TriFender. Now these TriFenders are the most versatile and easy to use PWC fenders on the market today. And their unique design is really intended to protect your ski from docks, pilings, damage, and other skis. And today I'm going to show you how to install these on a Kawasaki Ultra Jet Ski. Now this applies to pretty much every Kawasaki Ultra, Ultra LX, Ultra 160, Ultra 310, even your Kawasaki STX. They all have the same rub rail. So here on the trailer, I'm going to show you how to install these on your ski, and then I'm going to put the ski in the water and I'm going to show you how well they perform to protect your ski. All right, so these can attach two ways, and really we have a lot of options here and a lot of versatility when installing these TriFenders. So the principal design is that they have these plastic clips, and these plastic clips are going to go over your ski's rub rail just like this. So I want to give you a closer look at the clasp design here and how it fits over your rub rail. You can see that it just snaps right like that over the rub rail. And then the TriFender has this elastic cord on top. Now you can feel free to attach this elastic cord to any part of your ski, but to make things easier, WavesRX has included a set of their soft loop cleats. So what we're going to do on the Kawasaki Ultra 310 is we're going to use this medium size loop here. You can see they give you a large one, a small one, and then this medium one. So utilizing this WavesRX soft cleat is going to make it much easier to remove and install our TriFender. Right now I have it on the handlebar, and if you want to install it that way, that's great, but we're going to put in this soft loop so that we have access to our handlebars and compartment while we're using the TriFender. So on this Kawasaki Ultra 310 platform, you're going to use a 10mm socket to remove this one bolt right here. And then you're just going to reinstall that 10mm bolt just like this. All right, so now our soft cleat is in place, so we're going to go ahead and remove this bungee cord from our handlebars. And now I'm going to show you how I can close my compartment there. And this soft loop is going to stick out just like that. So these cords are really easy to adjust, as you can see here. So you want to tighten that just enough so that it goes through your soft loop like that, and then it's got this really handy clasp to keep that safely secured. And now you can see that the TriFender is attached to the side of my ski, and I don't lose the ability to use my handlebars, open and close my compartment, and this soft loop will not damage the ski and will keep this suspended away from the ski, so there'll be no scratching or buffeting, and my TriFender will be held securely in place while I launch my ski and tie it up at the dock. So for the Ultra platform, you know, again, if you didn't want to use the soft cleats, you could just latch this onto the rear grab handle. I've removed the rear seat just to show you this for demonstration purposes. We're going to lift up the corner of the engine cover, and we're going to go ahead and place that soft loop cleat. So I'm going to have mine stick out just like this. And then for my engine cover on my Kawasaki, I use these thumb nuts. So I'm going to tighten that up. And again, this is just demonstration purposes. I would install all of them. And then our rear seat is reinstalled. And you can see now that that is really discreetly sticking out right there, so that I can use these TriFenders without really having to clip onto the grab rail. And again, we have our plastic hooks right here. I'm gonna go ahead and hook that through, secure the clasp, and we are now ready to rock. Let's get down to the water and see how these TriFenders work at the dock. So with the WavesRX TriFenders, you never have to worry about your personal watercraft getting damaged by a dock. The ingenious design of these fenders protects your gunnel and the side of your ski. So even on docks like this that are higher than the side of the ski at a lower tide condition, the TriFenders still provide protection against knock. And the best part is to put them away. Using these soft cleats makes it extremely easy. You just disconnect, and the fenders fold up like this. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Water World.